It's Welsh Wine Week, and we're celebrating Welsh wine by trying some Welsh wine, but pairing it with Welsh seafood. Talk about food miles, how low can you get? We're going to try Llaethliw Rosé. The vineyard is maybe 3 or 4 miles inland from Aberaeron, where little boats that catch crab and lobster bring their produce in. You can't get more local than that. Talk about sort of, low impact, local food, food miles. Get less food miles than that and you've done very, very well. It's a perfect combination. The wine is fresh. There's a little bit of red fruit on the nose. Nice red fruit, acidity, very clean. It's going to go perfectly with lobster or the crab. Sitting outside in the glorious Welsh sunshine, maybe overlooking the sea as well. Get some crab from little Welsh boats. Get yourself some rosé wine from Wales and have a party.